When it comes to touring well-finished homes, you already know I'm going to be there. Now, this is a 5-bedroom, fully detached home. We have just 2 units. It just came into the market. And currently, while I'm standing here, there are a lot of people coming in to check out this property. Now, in a bit, you're going to find out why, because of the impeccable finishing of this particular home. It comes with a swimming pool. Everywhere is quite spacious, come with every essential that you might need for a family home. Now, this project is located in Ikate, in the heart of Lagos State, Nigeria. If you're currently in the market looking for a beautiful family home, quality finishing, greeneries, spacious living area, you strongly want to consider this. Now, before I take you inside, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, share, comment, and let's keep the conversation going. Welcome home. So this is the ambience of the estate, and when you look down there, that's the security post. And all this unit here you are seeing, they are units of apartments. And this is what will be this magnificent 5-bedroom, fully detached home. There are 2 units of this home right here. So this is the compound space. I can take more than 6 cars. This is quite spacious from where I'm currently standing. Then this is the home that we will be touring. See, there are 2 units over here. So before I take you inside, we have a pool at the back. So let's quickly see it before we come tour inside. So let's take a quick tour to the back. So this door here is what leads you to the kitchen. So you can have access to the kitchen through that door. I'm praying and hoping the pool is sizable. Okay. This is the pool. They didn't disappoint me. Even though I would have loved it bigger, but they didn't disappoint me. So you have your sit out area here. Okay, so let's get right into it. This is the boys' quarters. Let me see if it's open. Okay, it's open. So this is the boys' quarters. And this is the... Okay, so let's go inside. So I think this is one of the homes that I've actually toured that the exterior is spacious, like you can comfortably walk through it. So this is the car park again. So you're welcomed by our signatory biometric door, which is actually big. Then by my left, that's where you have the bathroom, the visitors, bathroom. And the ceilings are high. You know me, I love high ceilings. Then over here, you have one room downstairs with this glass window flowing through with natural lighting. Have your TV console there. I mean, nothing much to see here, but it's functional. You have your wardrobe, and it comes in suites. Okay, let's go. So this is the primary living area. Primary living area. Also spacious, and it has this TV console that flows all the way from the top to the down, and you have this beautiful chandelier over here. This home is 750 million. So with all you are seeing, let me know what you think. And don't forget that this property is located in Ikate, so you need to consider cost of land and all. Okay, so you have this glass thing here. That's me. Hi. Okay. Comes with the smart system. Have cameras too. Have cameras as your dining area. where you can access your dining area. And this door here leads you to the kitchen. So this is the kitchen. I think I like the choice of the marble that they used. So this is what it looks like. Trying to give you all the angles. So it comes with this double door high sense freezer. You have your oven, you have your washing machine down here, and other compartments to keep your stuffs. You have your island just in the middle. And this is the door that I told you that leads you to the backyard, right? It comes with a mini store, where you can set up your pantry and all of that. So we're done here. Let's go to the first floor. This project is located on 2 floors. So let's go to the first floor. Another view of the sitting area. Okay, so let's go. So this is the first floor, and you have a mini family lounge over here that has a console, also a TV console. Okay, let's take a look at the rooms. We have 3 rooms on this floor. So this is one of the rooms. Okay. The rooms are spacious anyways. So you have your closet here. And all unit comes en suite. Okay. Let's go to the next room. All the rooms comes with their own TV console. And I think I like that the closets are not just in the same place where the rooms are. So if you want to put like a door to demarcate your closet and your bathroom, you can just put a door here, maybe a glass door, whatever it is you want to set up. So this is the wardrobe. But I think that the wardrobes are not, so big, but they're functional, right? I know the masters and maybe the other room, the other side will be bigger because that's where they usually pay attention to. Okay, so let's take a look at that room there before we go upstairs. And another view from here downstairs towards the primary living area. So we have this room here. Please note that this is not the master's bed. This is not the master's bed. And it's really, really massive. So you have your TV console here. You have your balcony over here. So the room is spacious. You can tell from the video. Okay, so we have your walk-in closet here. And by my right is where you have your bathroom. Okay. What do you think? Okay. So let's go upstairs. Let's see what the room upstairs looks like. 1 more minute for this view, or 1 moment for this view. This is beautiful. So the staircase is actually censored. As usual, when you climb on it, get lit up. So let's go. So you have this entrance here. So let's look at this room before we look at the other projects that they have down there. Okay, so this is considered the masters. You tell me what you think. Have your TV console down there. And you have your walk-in closet here with a lot of compartments that can actually serve you. Okay, let me pull back. Okay. So you have bathroom here. Would you have liked it better if there was a connection between the bathroom and the walk-in shower? So you don't need to come out here and go here. Maybe there should have been a door connecting them. But I mean, let me know what you think. So this is the bathroom. You have your bathtub. You have all your essentials here. Have your walk-in shower. Okay. So what do you think? Okay. We also have this mirror here. I mean, this can be for Madame during her makeup session. Have this mirror, and you have a little compartment here to store your stuff. And we have this here. Well, I don't know what they were trying to achieve with this, but it's giving a mini kitchen here, a mini dry kitchen. You know, maybe there are some stuffs you want to, basic stuff you want to be doing here, maybe your morning coffee and all of that, and you don't want to go downstairs. You know, this is on 2 floors, and we're currently on the last floor. You quickly want to do coffee, you don't want to go downstairs on the ground floor, you can just do it right here. Okay, but if you get here and you want to convert it to something else, maybe like a mini library or a prayer room or a study session, that could also work. Okay, so let's go. So we have this here. Let's see if it's open. Okay. So this is the bathroom here. This is the bathroom. Remember, it has an open terrace, right? So if people are there and they quickly want to use the bathroom, they don't need to go downstairs. They can quickly just use this. So by my right, you have cinema. All you need to do is just get your chair in place. I know some people will say, why is there no chair in the cinema for a home that is 750 million naira? Well, I hear your plight. Your feedback is well noted, but this is what it is. So let's see the open terrace. So you have this mini family lounge, nothing much. I just set up another sitting area. So this is the door that leads you to the open terrace. This developer was very generous with TV console. Everywhere there's TV console. Okay, so this is what we have right here. Your evening relaxation, hanging out with your friends, and all of that. So let me know, what do you think of this project? This project is currently priced at 750 million naira. We're currently in the market looking for a home around Ikate. This home is located around Ikate, and there is also a back road where you can listen to Lekki Phase 1. Okay, so you can have access to Lekki Phase 1 Ikoyi VI in less than 5-10 minutes if you're currently looking in locking down this for you and your family. Well, from my honest assessment, this house is actually very nice. It is spacious, the finishes are actually impeccable. So if you're currently in the market looking for a home around Ikate, do well to strongly consider this. My number and every other details will be in the description. Do well to read it and contact me to schedule a viewing. Bye. See you on the next video.